In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a timeline in DaVinci Resolve 20 quickly and safely. If you've got extra timelines in your project, an old draft you no longer need, or you just want to clean up your workspace, this simple process will help you remove it in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're in DaVinci Resolve 20 and look at the bottom center of the interface. You'll see several page icons there, and you want to click the third icon from the left. That will take you to the Edit page, which is where you can manage timelines and work with your project more efficiently. Once you're on the Edit page, look to the top left corner of the screen and open the Media Pool. The Media Pool is where all of your project assets are stored, including your clips, bins, and timelines. Inside the Media Pool, find the specific timeline you want to delete. You'll usually recognize it by the film strip icon next to it, which helps distinguish it from other media items. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct timeline before deleting anything, especially if your project contains multiple timelines. After you've located the timeline, right-click directly on the timeline icon inside the Media Pool. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, hover over or select Timeline, and then choose Delete Timeline. This is the command that removes the selected timeline from your project. As soon as you click it, DaVinci Resolve will display a confirmation pop-up window to make sure you really want to proceed. In that pop-up, click the red Delete button to finalize the removal. This is the last step, so double-check that you've selected the right timeline before confirming. Once you click Delete, the timeline should disappear from the Media Pool immediately. You should also notice that it's no longer visible in the Timeline Viewer area, which confirms that the timeline has been removed successfully. If you still see it, give the interface a moment to refresh, or make sure you didn't delete a different item by mistake. And that's it. You've now deleted a timeline in DaVinci Resolve 20. It's a quick and easy way to keep your project organized and remove timelines you no longer need. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.